It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Tuesday, the 8th of June. I'm Michael Groff. Dry conditions, temperatures fairly close to seasonal averages today through Thursday, and then the warm-up begins as we head to the weekend. And by next week, high temperatures getting into the excessively hot range, the hottest temperatures we've had so far this year. Let's talk about it first. Yesterday, 104 degrees, the afternoon high. 74 was the morning low, the normal high 102, the normal low 76. Looking outside right now here at 7:30 a.m., sunny sky out there. We're sitting at 77 degrees at Sky Harbor. Dew point at 34, relative humidity 21%. The winds are light and the barometer is steady. Temperatures this morning, 58, the cool spot at Fort McDowell, 69 in Tempe and Surprise. Otherwise, we are in the low 70s to around 80 through much of the metro. The upper air look this morning, we've got a trough off the Pacific Northwest coast, a broad southwesterly flow across our region, and a weak wave moving on through, and that's going to help to hold down temperatures for the next couple of days before the heat begins. Here's the watch warning map. The big problem out here in the western states, obviously the very dry conditions leading to elevated fire danger. So a number of red flag warnings and fire weather watches continue. On the opposite end of the spectrum, flood and flash flood watches and warnings from the Arklatex region eastward into parts of Mississippi. Here's the convective outlook for today. A slight risk of severe storms over parts of eastern Montana, the Dakotas, Nebraska. A marginal risk for many of the adjacent states. Another marginal risk around the Arklatex, extending north and eastward to around Memphis, up into western Kentucky, southern Illinois. And the precipitation outlook. This is valid through next Tuesday morning from the WPC. No rain in the valley, nothing statewide, not much to look at region-wide, as we're going to see a rather impressive heat wave develop here over the greater Southwest. We'll talk about that in more detail as we check out modeling. Here we go. This is the GFS, the 06Z run, valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. Big trough off of the Pacific Northwest and a broad southwesterly flow here, and heights held down to pretty close to seasonal averages. So down at the surface today, sunny to mostly sunny sky, a little bit breezy in the afternoon, and high temperatures upper 90s to near 100. Tonight, mostly clear sky, overnight lows, mid-60s to mid-70s. Tomorrow, again, some clouds around thanks to our trough over the Pacific Northwest and a broad southwesterly flow. High temperatures, upper 90s to near 103. We should see readings in the upper 90s to near 102 on Thursday. Again, a few clouds. But then, here we go to Friday, and the ridge is going to start to build in here over the greater Southwest. The heights start to come up, so temperatures rebound back to around 102 to 106. And then over the weekend, the ridge really begins to intensify here. Highs 107 to 111 on Saturday, 109 to 113 on Sunday. And then if you think that's hot, here we go to Monday. Highs 111 to 114, and some of the guidance pushing us even hotter than that. And so confidence is increasing that we'll see an excessive heat event with dangerously hot temperatures potentially coming in here this weekend and continuing through at least the middle part of next week. So let's keep going here. This is a week from today, Tuesday the 15th. An elongated ridge extending from central and northern Mexico over the greater Southwest all the way up into the northern plains and central Canada. And so a south-southwesterly flow across Arizona. High temperatures at least 111 to 115. And then as we go out 10 days, this is Thursday the 17th, troughing moving into the northern Rockies. And that would serve to flatten out and reorient our ridge over the Southwest. And the flow aloft switches to more of a southeasterly direction, and that looks suspiciously monsoonal, doesn't it? Yes, that could open the door for moisture to come in, widely scattered showers and thunderstorms to develop over central and eastern Arizona. But before you get too excited, I just want to remind you, this is 10 days out. A lot is likely to change. Mid-June is historically the driest part of the year here. So we're just going to watch those model trends, but that is something to think about as we go forward in time. But not before we have a major heat wave. That looks like a fairly safe bet right now. Now, as we take a look at rainfall for Phoenix over the next couple of weeks, coming off of the GFS ensemble, and about 60% of the members do have some degree of light precipitation during that time. The ensemble mean around 1/10 of an inch. I'm still not ready to buy into the idea of any rainfall just yet. But as I keep telling you, we'll watch model trends And there's always a little glimmer of hope out there, isn't there? All right, temperatures off the national blend of models. Not so much hope here. We've got near normal temps today, tomorrow, Thursday, and then highs getting above 110 by the time we get to the weekend, poking up toward 113 or 114 by the early and middle part of next week. And some of the deterministic guidance has us even hotter than that. Oh boy. All right. That's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, and click that notification bell so that whenever a brand new video is posted, you'll get the notice. Your comments, questions, and suggestions always encouraged as well. Thank you so much for watching. Really do appreciate it. You guys be safe, stay cool and hydrated out there, watch your kids around water, and have yourselves a glorious Tuesday.